There are plenty of great car cleaning kits to choose from, such as Armor All, Chemical Guys, Meguiar's, nooks, Thinkwork. It's difficult for customers to make a shopping decision. We're here to help you to pick out the top 5 best car cleaning kits with our handy buying guide. There are many products available to choose car cleaning kits, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did deep research, checked reviews, and compiled a list of the best car cleaning kits from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Chemical Guys HOL126 14-piece Arsenal Builder Car Wash Kit. Foamy fun. If you love cars, then a clean car brings you nothing but happiness. This kit not only has everything you need to keep the exterior of your car looking great, but it also has the tools to make cleaning your car fast, easy and fun for the entire family. The foam gun hooks up to any standard hose, so there are no additional tools or machines required to produce foamy cleaning. Makes a great gift. This kit is the ultimate collection of car wash supplies, and is the gift that keeps on giving for any car buff, truck enthusiast or classic car fan. It contains everything needed to clean and maintain a beautiful shine on any car or truck. Number 1 brand in car care. Beginners and professionals alike choose Chemical Guys, not only for the finest car care products, but the world-class customer support and vast detailing knowledge. Chemical Guys is more than a brand, it's a lifestyle with a worldwide following. Number 2. Armor All 18782 Protectant. Original protectant wipes renew and revitalize vinyl, rubber and plastic. Convenient, disposable wipes protect your car's rich look. Lint-free, won't leave greasy residue on hands. Glass wipes easily removes filmy residue, road grime, bugs, fingerprints and more. Cleaning wipes easily remove ground and dirt, dust and grime. Number 3. Meguiar's G190200 Quick Scratch Eraser Kit. Erase scratches and scuffs. Use the power of your drill to quickly erase light scratches, scuffs, paint transfer and more. Minimal effort. Erase fine scratches and remove paint blemishes quickly and with minimal effort. Drill activated. With Scratch Eraser Pad and Scratchx, the drill works, so you don't have to. Clear coat safe. Safe and effective. Number 4. Chemical Guys Easy to Use Drill Brush Carpet and Upholstery Fabric Cleaning Kit 16 ounces. Intense foam and cleaning power, lift and separate dirt particles and stains from deep within fabric and carpets and upholstery for fast and thorough cleaning with the oxygen-infused cleaners and foaming action of Fabric Clean. Flow particles directly to the surface for easy cleanup with a microfiber towel or hot water extractor. Remove dirt, odors, and deep stains. Penetrate deep into fibers with foaming bubbles to dissolve and remove set-in dirt, odors, and stains from automotive carpets, fabrics, and upholstery with Fabric Clean Carpet and Upholstery Shampoo for professional detailing results. Perfectly dilute product in convenient spray bottle. Dilute your concentrated chemicals to create custom solutions for all of your specialized cleaning needs, and expertly spray down surfaces with maximum coverage with the secondary container dilution bottle. Number 5. Meguiar's G13624 SP Quick Interior Detailer. Gentle, high lubricity formula quickly cleans, lifting dust, dirt, grime, and spills while restoring the surface's original appearance. Quick Interior Cleaner safely cleans and protects all interior car surfaces including plastics, vinyl, leather, rubber, metal and even LCD and navigation screens. Interior protectant contains sun-blocking agents to guard against aging, fading, cracking, and drying. Improved deeper cleaning formula leaves a dark, rich shine without a greasy appearance or feel. Convenient spray bottle lets you apply this interior car cleaner quickly and easily. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more helpful information or if you want to know the product price, do check out the description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life very much easier.